Discipline, precision and pride, the contingent represents dedication and commitment of our police personnel who stand at the forefront of maintaining law and order and ensuring the safety and security of our citizens. Every synchronized step reflects discipline, every command reflects preparedness, and every movement reflects the professionalism and commitment that define the police service. As they approach the saluting base, let us acknowledge the men and women in uniform who serve our communities with courage, responsibility, and dedication. Arriving at the saluting base is RC of 1st MLP Battalion contingent to take the salute. A proud and dignified salute to the nation and to the chief guests. Following the Meghalaya Police contingent is NEMA SSA UP School Itinerary. Arriving at the saluting base to take the salute is NEMA SSA UP School Boys contingent, led by Commander Kinatsan Maukan, Flag Bearer Doris Maukan, and Placard Bearer Johnson Shabam. Arriving and leading the St. Isidro Mini High School School Girls contingent to take the salute is Commander Kilawandi Kongkao, Flag Bearer Tumulan Kongsmi, and Placard Bearer Dr. Pungro. Arriving and leading the Ursa Wabatao SSA UP and Secondary School Boys contingent to take the salute is Commander Wilbin Hapungro, Flag Bearer Pinsanlan Kumalo, and Placard Bearer Bantiga Ranjan. Arriving at the saluting base to take the salute is Ursa Wabatao SSA UP and Secondary School Girls contingent, led by Commander Saidabet Kamstia, Flag Bearer Aidarisha from Kupang, and Placard Bearer Lantik bin Kabunga. Arriving and leading the Idibridge New School Girls contingent to take the salute is Commander Ivan Tihun Kongstia, Flag Bearer Uganda Mary
Apor basim sulit kisim koi plat perdai nedak kan.
Arriving and leading the Idibridge English School Boys contingent to take the salute is Commander Gabet Denir Koryong, Flag Bearer Lanantin Sai Khan, and Placard Bearer Minam Petikin Majam. Arriving and leading the Pynursla Presbyterian UP and Secondary School Girls contingent to take the salute is Commander Amir Hunti Kongkngan, Flag Bearer Suneshi Kamtao, and Placard Bearer Sunita Kongret. Arriving and leading the St. Anthony's English LP School Boys contingent to take the salute is Commander Dominic Bottom, Flag Bearer Lambert Siping, and Placard Bearer Steve Elwin Kongkan.
Ni ketok bak telet.
Arriving at the saluting base to take the salute is St. Anthony's English LP School Girls contingent, led by Commander Gina Tensong, Flag Bearer Betsamaki Sinkram, and Placard Bearer Tiruman Bukhan. Arriving and leading the Raj Shabam Border Area Government UP School Boys contingent is Commander Beni demi kurang langrum, flag bearer bin Kipwa Kongsno, and flag bearer kami bantai Jektum.
Đây setting của biang đây.
Arriving at the saluting base in the right southern border area, UP Government Schools, girls contingent to take the salute, led by Commander N.P. Bokadar Panglang, flag bearer surrounding Lamin, and flag bearer Sairpa Pangkaran. Arriving and leading the Asafri Academy High School School Girls Contingent is Commander Sri Batman Kongji, flag bearer Derikman Kongji,
Hey, like
and
some
flag bearer
flag
Derek
bearer.
Mahasa. Arriving leading the Central Secondary School and Academic Contingent is Commander Rizkan Langkar, flag bearer New Kintunang Marbanyam, and flag bearer Idapun Hun Unshon. A proud and inspiring moment indeed. These young cadets have demonstrated that discipline is not merely about following commands, it's about developing responsibility, confidence, self-control, and respect for others. Their synchronized movements and confidence bearing a reflection of the dedication, hard work, and countless hours of practice that have gone in preparing for this day. Every step we take today carries a message that excellence is achieved through commitment, perseverance, and teamwork. For these young